Hi everyone, welcome back to our meal prep series. Today we're going to be going over an Italian-inspired recipe. Melissa?
That's right, we've got chicken as our protein source, a nice mixture of vegetables, and some whole wheat pasta.
Here's the chicken we used. We prepared it in the slow cooker by sprinkling it with Italian seasoning, oregano, basil, garlic powder, and placed it on low for about 3 hours. Now this can vary depending on your slow cooker, so make sure to keep an eye on it after that 3-hour mark.
Our vegetables here are broccoli, zucchini, cherry tomatoes, and half an onion. We cut them all up and added 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of that Italian seasoning to the mix. I threw them on a sheet pan and roasted them for about 20 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees.
The whole grain we're using for this recipe is some Rotini pasta. We just made a whole box, and now we're going to put this all together for you. So we have 5 containers here, and we're going to add our chicken first.
And then we'll go ahead and add the vegetables next.
Yes, I will divide up all this among the containers, and it should give us about 1 cup of vegetables per container.
This looks fantastic. They're ready to be put in the fridge for up to 5 days. Now you've got lunch for an entire week.